Where'd Joseph go? There he is! Where'd he go, honey? Where'd he go? There he is! There he is! Oh, you're so excited! Where'd he go? Honey, he left. Where'd he go? You know where he is? I don't see him. I don't know where he went. There he is!
I just saw him playing it off. Well, I saw that black rubber there in the batter's box jump up.
Where'd he go, honey? I can't see him. Where is he? Oh, there he is! There he is. I still see him, honey. He's right there.
Yeah. When they foul it off their foot, whether they're faking or not, you go right back in there. Good hard fastball. You don't want to do that again. Here's the stop.